back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be creating my dream dress closet, which is going to be in this. Let me get out of here. So this is it completely empty. I have a bar right here that I'm going to hang all my dresses on. Hopefully, I don't know if they're all going to fit in here, but we're going to try. First things first, I'm going to get all my dresses from this closet and throw them on the floor, and we're going to go through them. Okay, so now that I have all of these dresses pulled out of my closet actually is not that full. Like, wow. I have so much stuff that still has the tags on it. What? I think that I'm going to color coordinate it to make it look like cuter. Blacks on this side. And then hopefully that'll help me like do this easier. How cute this little romper thing is. It's so cute. I've had this since high school. These are by the same brand. BCBG. I don't know what brand that is. Look at this crazy dress I have. This one I bought in Atlanta when I went to go see Taylor Swift, and this was like an option that I almost wore. But I ended up wearing, it's not in here. I think it's in my other closet, but I ended up wearing this like other black sequin dress. It's literally the same as this dress, but a different color. And I'm pretty sure I have another color of this too. They're like the same thing. Okay, now I have some of my newer dresses that aren't even hanging up yet. Okay, y'all are getting a sneak peek. This is the dress I'm going to wear for Easter. The cute little bows. Okay, so next I need to put in all of my skirts, which I actually bought these hangers from IKEA to hang up some of my skirts that are a little bit nicer. So I already hung up this skirt that I took pictures on in the beach. Yeah, because I feel like this is like fun. And then this is like one of my expensive skirts. They're like a jean denim that I don't want to get all wrinkled. So we're also going to hang this one up. Okay, so over here I had like fake made a rod to put up all my skirts. Actually, not all of them are up on here because I ended up just folding them down there. I feel like I need to take all this down and put this in that closet. And I was like makeshifting them little hangers that I bought with like clips. That's so embarrassing. This whole bucket down there are skirts, and so I feel like I need to do something with them. I don't know if I have enough hangers, so that's the thing. Like, so I'm gonna plan to put all my short skirts here if I can fit them in here. And down here I'm gonna put, I have like bins, so I could put a bin of the skirts that don't fit on a hanger, and then some of my heels in here. We might actually hang this one up because I feel like this one gets wrinkly fast. This is from Topshop. Topshop actually has some cute stuff. These like don't get wrinkly, and I never really wear these. These are really for like the beach. I don't know, you know. And then I have these cute little shorts. These also have gotten wrinkly. These are from Topshop too. Oh my gosh, I have so much Topshop that I didn't even know. This is one of my favorite skirts. This is from Free People. It's so cute. I feel like it gives mermaid vibes. I really need to take pictures in this, like on the beach. I feel like that would be so cute. So I'm going to hang this one up also. I'm going to definitely hang up this one because it's already kind of falling apart. And this is like one skirt that I feel like I want to keep forever. I wore this on my 16th birthday. And I've worn it since, but you can see the little sequins are falling off. We're going to hang this one up so it don't get messed up anymore. Hang up this jacket in the dress closet because it goes with the matching skirt. I know what I can do. I can put this skirt over this hanger. This is like a wrap skirt. And I think they go, that's actually pretty good. I need to pick out what shoes I'm going to go in here. I'm going to go, wait, look, guys, another hanger. So, these are all my shoes that are upstairs. I have some in the closet downstairs, but we're not going to worry about those. This is the box for my boots. I need to put them back in there. These shoes are definitely going to go in there. These are the cutest little Mark Fisher. Oh my gosh, guys. It's in there too. Cute. Then these, Jeffrey Campbell. I don't think I would wear them now. They're such good shoes. They're kind of like a staple. So we're going to put them in the closet. Some of my fun ones. These are so fun. These are these fun Steve Maddens. These pink heels, guys. They're so fun. Like, you either love these or you hate them. I personally love them. Look at that heel. That's so tall. These are so cute. Okay, let's start with these and see if these actually are going to fit in there. I don't know. It closes at least. Well, kind of. Okay, this is the box that my Jeffrey Campbell shoes came in. I feel like I could put them back in here. So they're these. Okay, so I'm going to put them back in here. Okay, that's perfect. And then put shoes on top. Okay, I love that. I love that, I love that, I love that. And now I can put another pair of heels in there. And then it also like stacks. So nice. Okay, now honestly I'm thinking maybe this thing of skirts shouldn't go in there. So hard trying to figure out how to organize everything, but honestly so far it's looking so cute. Like you can't even tell me this is not cute. Okay, honestly I feel like that's better and more like functional. Okay, now figuring out how to like decorate it is the hard part. Such cute pictures on Amazon. I found such cute pictures on Pinterest. Like this is something super cute. Sorry, my ring light is like making it hard to see. Like I like stuff like that. So I mean there's so many ideas for what we could do. I don't know. Like what should I add to this that's gonna make it look like pa-bam? Oh my gosh, that's so cute, Ella. Like what can I add? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is tear out some pages of these books because I feel like that will be cute to put in the inner. And then I also have a couple pictures of me. Okay, so I'm gonna keep on doing that, and then I also have some ribbon that I kind of want to like glue on here. I don't know. I have like big ideas, and I hope that this is actually gonna look good and I'm not like ruining all of my stuff. Okay, so now I know I'm all the way down here, but I have some magazines. I honestly don't think I'm going to do anything with these just because I don't want them to get messed up. Oh, I have some ribbon, and I feel like if I went along the whole thing, but I need either like hot glue or like some clear tape because the blue tape is going to look stupid. Okay, so I got some clear tape, and it don't look too bad. I did all the finishing touches and I'm so excited to show y'all all the little details. I'm like so excited about this, and I feel like I can keep adding some fun things to it. So up here I put those books that I ripped some pages out of, some little boxes and bags that I've had. Here's the closet, and it's so freaking cute. Down there I have my shoes, some boots, some more heels, and then on the sides I ripped out some of these prints. And guys, I just think it looks so cutesy. So I also want to get like really cute hangers, and I found some on Pinterest that are really cute. They're like glitter shimmery. I'll insert a picture. I really want to get those. I need more skirt hangers also. So cute. I'm so excited, guys. Like so excited. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This was so fun for me to film. And I'm so excited to have this now. It's like just all of my favorite things combined in one little closet. If y'all have any ideas of what I should add to this, make sure to comment down below. I'm also going to be reorganizing this room completely because I still have a lot of clothes in here and they're everywhere, all over the floor, everywhere. So stay tuned for that video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.